Alright, welcome back everybody to Operation Pluto. Couple of housekeeping items to take care of before doing the Italian turn. I keep spinning the map again, sorry about that. The veteran didn't spend anything as the Soviets and saved all 4 of his dollars, so his income bank is actually now at 8 instead of 4. And Adel Wolf forgot to roll the Abyssinia recruitment, so we're going to take care of that. And it hits at a 1, so we'll see what happens. That is a miss, so Italy is happy about that. That's the only 2 housekeeping items that I am aware of, so we'll hop into the Italian turn. Italy, for its tech, is going to be rolling for heavy armor, so we will roll that. It is a hit, just barely, but we will take it. So we will put that there and leave the dice on it, dial it. For buys, Italy is going to be buying 2 militia upgrades. And they're going to lend-lease the nationalists and infantry. So that is $7 in total, leaving them at 3. Italy does have the 1 combat move that is attacking Abyssinia, with everything in Italian Somaliland and everything in Eritrea, so we can roll for that. We have 3 infantry at 1, a cav at 2, a fighter at 6, and Abyssinia has 2 militia at 2. So we have all of those missed, and our fighter is telling me that's a 6. So our fighter does hit. The defending militia both miss, so we will roll for round 2. That is a 7, it's a 2, it's a 12. So alright, it only missed everything round 2. The defending militia also missed. Round 3, Italy got the hit it needed from the fighter, and the defending militia missed. Okay, so took a few rounds, but Italy managed to take it without any casualties, which is great. Italy is going to place the French. Italy is going to be placing the that completes the Italian-African strategic objective. So Italy gets 2 militia, a colonial, and an airbase to place in one of those 3 territories. And I think I can split the militia. And if so, I'm going to put 1 in Abyssinia along with the colonial and the other one in Eritrea. If for some reason I can't split them, then I'll have both militia go to Eritrea. And you know what, actually, just take care of that and put both militia and Eritrea to start off with. And then the airbase is going to go in to we're going to stick that in Abyssinia. And our fighter will come down and land. Actually, our fighter is going to land in Italian Somaliland. Yes. Sorry. Fighter is going to land in Eritrea. I apologize. Okay. That is how all that's going to go. Wow. Okay. We'll clean that up later. Italian non-combat moves. The Italian infantry in Tripolitania is going to walk into Cyrenaica. The Italian destroyer and light cruiser that are in I-5 are going to come up into M2, or M4 rather. The entire Italian fleet is going to join them and go into, oh wow, okay. That was not the button to press for ships. Anyway, the Italian fleet is in M4. I will clean this up on a later turn. I'm trying to get to our to John Black so that he can do his turn real fast. The Italian sub is going to come over at M4 as well. The mountain infantry on Sicily is going to take narrow crossing into southern Italy. The militia in southern Italy is going to rail to Rome. Lazio is going to walk into Rome. The infantry in Rome is going to northern Italy. The militia in northern Italy is coming down to Rome. The fighter and attack bomber that are in northern Italy are going to land in Sardinia. The seaplane in Rome is going to land in Sicily. And I think that has got all of the Italian non-combat moves completed. So we will place their buys. The Nationalist Infantry is going to Galicia and Leon, and the two militia upgrades are going to Tripoli and Tobruk. So Italy will collect $10, putting them at 13 and in the turn. And we are going to go ahead and do Germany turn 2 at this point as well. German tech. We're going to roll for advanced mech again. We're going to roll for heavy armor. We're going to roll for advanced subs. And we're going to roll for improved factories. So put that one there. Oh gosh, that was bad. Okay, I'm just going to roll these over here and then put the dice in there. Alright. Okay, so advanced mechs miss, improved factories hits. Heavy armor just barely misses, unfortunate. And advanced subs also misses. Okay, Germany's not off to a great tech start, but maybe they'll pick up. For buys, Germany is going to be buying a submarine for 6. It's going to be buying a airborne for 3, a light tank for 4, and they're going to be leasing the Nationalist fighter, so we'll see how that goes. So that's going to be $23 that Germany is spending, which takes them down to 6 in the bank. Germany has one combat move, and that is the cavalry in Austria is going to walk into Slovakia and annex it, which gives us both of these infantry and this fighter. The fighter in the non-combat phase is just going to fly into Western Germany and join the 18th Aero there, and the 2 infantry are going to walk into Austria. The 2 infantry in Berlin are walking into Eastern Germany. The artillery is going into Bavaria. The rest of those are staying the same. And over in Spain, we're going to have 2 artillery and an infantry take Basque Country. And since there's no defending unit there, the fighter doesn't get the opportunity to scramble. Just in case anybody was unfamiliar with that role. And so we will do recruitment for Spain, which is at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll just use this die. I just barely missed. Okay, that's fine. So we're going to do the... Germany has sub movements to do. The sub in A23 is going to move 1, 2, 3, and go into A46. The coastal sub is going to move 2 and to go into A22. And the regular sub in A11 is going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and go down into A28. Germany has no other naval moves to make, and Germany will place its buys. I also just saw that I forgot to place the Italian destroyer that was on the build chart, so I'll do that as well. The airborne is going to Western Germany, the light tank is going into Western Germany, and the sub is being built into A11. The Italian destroyer is going to be built into M3, and the Lend-Lease fighter is going to Glacier-Leon. Germany goes up 1 on the income chart for Slovakia, and France and Great Britain also go up 1 because of that. So Germany will collect $23 to go along with the go along with the $6 that it saved, and Germany will end its turn with $29 in the bank. And with that being said, we will go ahead and pass it on to Tron for the USA and KMT turn 1.